So, yeah, prepping has been crazy, but it's weird because like it feels like I haven't done much, but it's like all sanded down and whatnot. Yes, there's some spots that are, not perfect, but it's a drift car. I keep saying that. Yeah. Obviously, there's a lot of prepping to do still and masking, but I think I can do that at the booth. Originally, we were supposed to paint here in the garage, but with this rain and this temperature, that's not going to happen. Flash times would be crazy high, and yeah, the paint wouldn't dry. So yeah, I decided to go rent a booth. Luckily, there's one, I don't know, maybe less than 10 minutes away, or 5 minutes. It's really close. Whatever, it's fine. Look at the stack. Going drifting soon. We'll see what happens. How do you think it's gonna go?
Should be interesting.
Yeah? How?
I don't know what the fuck we're doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Sergio knows. It's okay.
I don't think he knows.
Oh.
We'll find out.
Helping this guy do a swap and all you
Yeah, I gotta tack it. I got a bunch. Yeah, in a little bit it's gonna be one whole fucking color. Oh shit. All right, day two. There's a lot of parts to be painted still. There's, the bumpers, side skirts, and some fake Ganadors. Love it. Yeah, super thankful for Sergio. And yeah, without them, I couldn't have done this. Or I would have done it, but it probably would have came out like shit, so. Little update. So the rear end is put together. I'll put a picture on right now. And then came across this. So I didn't know that OEM bumpers didn't have the holes for the front lip. And yeah. Side skirts are on. I need to put the other side on. I need to remock the valences because before I used to use double-sided tape, and that's not cool. I don't want to mess up the paint, but let's see if I can show you. Essentially, it should be like right there. Let me see from the wide. Yay, it's a wider. Yeah, it's a lot of work. We're gonna cut and buff it in a few, maybe 4-ish days. So I'm just gonna leave the trims off. I have some fanadors. These are cool. I forgot the name of the place. I think it's called Arrow. These are ganadors that are electric, so they got power in them. But I just need to, I bought some pigtails and connectors from Wiring Specialties, but I got lazy and didn't wire it up, so I need to do that before. I need to put these, well, I don't know. I think I need to cut and buff it before I put these on, because it's going to cover up, like, let's see if I can show you. It's going to cover up a decent amount of the door. So I don't want to just like cut and buff like around it, you know? Oh, come on. Yeah, I'd rather just do the whole door and then maybe even cut and buff this because there was like a little drip. There's a drip right here if you can see it. Yeah. I mean, this is stuff that no one's going to see. I mean, you can see like this part, which is really freaking glossy. That's super nice. I'm really glad there's no runs inside there, so. Yeah, it's coming together and it looks so sick. God, it was so nice just putting on the rear lights and bumper and all that stuff. It took me a while to figure out the brackets of the bumper and like how to put it all back together, because yeah, I took that off a while ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna figure out this bumper situation so I can put it all back together. Supposed to go tuning in a few days too, hopefully this weekend. I mean, honestly, if it doesn't happen, it's okay. I know that Josh's tuning is solid. Yeah, at startup, it's, you know, doing pretty good in an airfield ratio, and I haven't even boosted at all. So my guess is it's going to be okay. I turned the boost all the way down, but I still, you know, it can probably go up to like maybe 15 PSI and see what happens. That's a sweet spot. That's pretty nice. That's a good fun time at 15. If it hits 20, that would be nice too, but it just creates more heat. And yeah, I'm fine with 15. I'm the dude that is okay with like a plateau of power, not just wanting a ridiculous amount of, you know, power. Yeah, drifting 300, 350, even if you're in the 4s, if you have a bigger car, that's a good number. That's a good time. Fun time. Yeah, just mess around with your tires. Okay, I'm ranting. Bye.